Hi, welcome to PDF Tips. So occasionally you get websites like this Forbes one, but pops up an ad blocker message or doesn't allow you to read it without actually signing in or paying for it, for example. So there's a quick way around it. So what you do is when you press refresh, it usually gives you 1 or 2 seconds to actually read the article. So what you do in Google Chrome, press CTRL+P to print, and then you print it to a PDF. So to do this, just click on refresh. You can do it with the F5 key and then press CTRL+P straight away. See, I didn't get it that time, got the blocker. So if you do it again, 5, CTRL+P. So I've got it all this time. And that's how you get around it. So now I can just read it like that. I can save it as a PDF, for example, and then open it in Adobe Reader or Acrobat and read it like normal without the pop-up. So any page where it gives you a couple of seconds, you can just press F5 CTRL+P and then you get the whole page like that. Give it a try.